Hi friends, I am OP Singh and you are watching Filmy Buzz with OP. You know that how Indian filmmakers are making money with their movies? Today we will discuss that. We can divide Indian filmmaking into three stages. The first one is pre-production, then production, and the last one is post-production. The producer, when decides to make a movie, the first of all, he is finalizing a story. If he has any idea in his mind, he asks some writer to write that story, or he is taking or he is buying a story from a writer. When the story is finalized, he is going for investors, he is looking for investors. After getting investors, the producers hires production manager, director and some artist. And with production manager, he hires some technicians and other staffs also. The second stage is production, but before going to second stage, the producer with director and production manager also finalizes the location where the film will be shot. As per the story, the location is also finalized. In the second stage, the producer ensures that the best shot is taken by the cinematographer as per the story, as per the screenplay. Director is also cooperating with him and the whole crew. In the crew, there are DOP, director of photography, sound recordist, lightman, and all the artists. The producers ensures that everybody is giving their best, so that the best film can be produced. Once the shooting is over, this movie goes to third stage, that is post-production. Post-production is an important part of movie where the editor is editing the movie, removing the unnecessary shots and taking the best one. He is adding music also. After this, the movie is complete. Once the movie is complete, the producer has two options. One option, he can release himself the movie. He will not give it to the distributor. He can directly contact to the sub-distributors or exhibitors. Here I will tell you that who are exhibitors. Exhibitors are the owners of the cinema hall or multiplexes. They are exhibitors. In second case, the producer is simply selling the movie to the distributor. Suppose the producer has made the film taking Salman Khan as hero. When Salman Khan is a hero, there is guarantee of success, so distributor will buy it. And many cases what happens, that when the producer is announcing the movie that Salman Khan is his hero, he is signing Salman Khan, many distributors are coming with money to take the distribution rights. Here, when the distributor will come to know that Salman Khan is the hero, he will ready to buy the film. Suppose the producer has spent 100 crores for this movie. Leading role, Salman Khan. Then he will sell the movie at minimum cost of 125 crores to the distributor. After selling the movie to the distributor, the producer can also sell the satellite rights and music rights. Satellite rights, he will get at least 15 crores. And for music right, he will get 5 crores. So, the producer has already earned 45 crores after production of the movie. Even that, the movie has not been released. Now the movie is with the distributor. Distributor, what he will do, he will decide that how many copies to be made. He will spend some money for prints and some money for publicity. He has to give a wide publicity of the movie so that people will be aware. In publicity many things comes, releasing the trailer, releasing the poster, so many things. Suppose this distributor who has bought the film for 125 crores, he is spending 10 crore more for print and publicity. Now the cost is 135 crores. So now the distributor, what he will do, he will give this movie prints to sub distributors for giving further to their exhibitors in their area. Main Hindi movie circuits are, distribution circuits are Bombay Circuit, Eastern Circuit, Delhi UP Circuit, Rajasthan Circuit, Punjab Circuit and South Circuit. The other way, the distributors sometimes what they do, they are directly contacting exhibitors on percentage basis. What are the percentage of exhibitors and distributors? The percentage between exhibitors and distributors are 50-50. 50-50 first week, 50% exhibitor and 50% distributor. In the second week, it is 57.5% and 57.5% for exhibitors and 42.5% for distributor. In the third week, it is 67.5% and 32.5%. 67.5% for exhibitor and 32.5% for distributors. And fourth week and onwards 70-30. 70% for the exhibitors and 30% for the distributor. So this is the how the producer is earning money. And in some cases the distributors are also asking for satellite rights and music rights in very few cases. So friends, it is how the producers are earning money. And nowadays there are OTT platforms, Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar, ZEE5. There are many platforms for producers, especially for new producers. And you have a small film, you can directly sell to them. They are giving good money. There is a platform for this new producers. So this is sharing their profit, the producer. And one thing, if the producer has any partner, then he has to share his profit with the partner. If somebody has invested money with the producer, then he has to share the money with him, the ratio he has invested the money in the movie. Okay friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.